Imagine a world with no words, no English, no Spanish, no names for danger, love, hunger, or fear. Just wind through the trees, insects in the dark, and the footsteps of something hunting you in the night. Millions of years ago, our ancestors lived in exactly that world. If a predator was stalking you, you couldn't yell, "Run!" If someone found food, they couldn't call the tribe over, only grunts, gestures, panic. So how did a species like that create the first words? And eventually build over 7,000 languages? The answer begins with survival. Before language, early humans relied on body signals, pointing at fruit, showing teeth in anger, waving others away from danger. And for a long time, that was enough. But then human life became more complex. We started moving in larger groups. We hunted bigger animals, we traveled farther, and suddenly silent gestures weren't enough anymore. Imagine chasing a mammoth through tall grass. Your group is spread out, some behind rocks, some hidden in trees. You can't see each other. A hand signal becomes useless. That's when sound became powerful. Scientists think the earliest human words may have started as simple imitations of the world around us. The bow-wow theory. A bird identified by its chirp, a snake by a hiss, danger by a growl-like warning sound. At first, those sounds weren't really words, but over time, the same sounds used again and again began to carry stable meanings inside a group. One sound meant danger, another meant food, another meant come here. And slowly, random noise started turning into communication. But here's the real mystery. Other animals make sounds too. Chimpanzees call out, wolves howl, birds sing. So why didn't they develop language? Because humans changed in a way no other animal did. We developed biological traits that made complex speech possible. A gene called FOXP2 helped control the fine movements needed for speech. Our throat, tongue, and voice box became capable of producing a far wider range of sounds than other primates. Now humans could create distinct sounds on purpose and combine them. A hunter could warn, plan, and coordinate. A parent could teach a child which berries were safe. An elder could pass down knowledge about seasons, animals, and survival. And once humans could share information clearly, we gained something more powerful than strength. We gained collective memory. Knowledge no longer died with one person. It could be passed on, improved, shared across generations. Language let us build trust with strangers, form tribes, villages, cities, and civilizations. Today, billions of people speak thousands of languages. We use words to tell stories, write laws, build science, and send messages across the world in seconds. But all of it traces back to one moment, when one of our ancestors made a sound and someone else understood what it meant. That was the beginning of language, and that may have been the moment humanity truly began.